morning, friends. Today I'm joined by Dr. Venu Gopal. He's the director for the National Physical Laboratory. And our minister, Dr. Jitendra Singh, has advised that the country should open the labs for the public. So they are celebrating 1 week, 1 lab, sir. So you could tell us more about this. Yeah.
Right. So each CSR has 37 laboratories across the country, and each lab specializes in a very specific area. Right. For example, genomics to, for example, NPL specializes in metrology. We have petroleum, leather research. We have wide gamut of areas which are covered by CSR laboratories. So, Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, he gave the idea in September 2022 that why not take what we are doing in each of the labs, what we are doing has to be conveyed to the general public, and each lab takes up 1 week so that we interact with general public, schools, colleges, students, as well as industry partners, all stakeholders. For example, NPL itself, so we have multiple activities. Our primary mandate is metrology. So each country has one National Metrology Institute. So for India, NPL is the National Metrology Institute.
This is as old as 1947, sir?
It is, we are few months older than independent India.
Right,
So
yes, sir.
we established on 4th January 1947.
Right, sir.
So we completed 76 years. And as Minister said yesterday, so we are going along with independent India. Our contributions are to the democracy in terms of preserving the handwritten original constitutions which are in Parliament Library. And NPL also has the distinction of formulating the indelible ink which is used in the elections. Right? Even today it is used.
Yes, sir.
Right? So we have multiple contributions. So in addition to being Metrology Institute, where we set up these primary standards, national standards, and then disseminate them to the country, down to the shopkeeper, by partnering with QCI constituents like the NABL accredited laboratories, legal metrology under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So we help take these standards down to the consumer level or the shopkeeper level.
And so in India, you have at even the Northeast, you are having this center, Jorat.
Right. So in Northeast, our sister laboratory, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, NEAST, spearheads the activities, CSR activities, and they are also organizing 1 week, 1 lab program, and that schedule is available at the CSR website.
Right. And you were talking about last week that Petroleum, Indian Institute of Petroleum, they finished this 1 week, 1 lab.
Right. They're completing. So today they're having one event in India Habitat Center.
Right, sir.
So that's parallelly going on today.
Today, right, sir. And so today we are having that MSME startup conclave, right, sir?
Right.
So if you wanted to say something about it, sir.
Yes, so today is the second day where we'll be interacting with the industry partners. As I said, metrology is the primary activity, but being part of the CSAR system where industry connect, iConnect, which our DG ma'am says, so iConnect is also a very important activity for us. And as part of that, today we'll be focusing on interacting with our industry partners whom we collaborated in the past, as well as new members. So we do have almost 4,000 industries, micro MSMEs, MSMEs, to whom we cater to at different levels: metrology, service projects, technical projects which we take up for them and then solve their problems, or sometimes we develop processes and then transfer the technology to them.
Right.
So we would like to interact with all of them today, and this is actually inaugural of the 3-day event, so we cannot have 1 day for all the industries. So each day we are expecting about 20 industry partners for the next 3 days.
And so you said means every month, 1 day you have kept it for open for the public, for the school children.
Right.
So which is when is it held?
So NPL is open on last Thursday of
sir.
every month.
Right.
So
Sir.
it's an open day for us. Any college, school, any educational institute.
They have to pre-register.
Preferably so that we can arrange the local hospitality.
Right,
That's
sir.
the only requirement, but anybody can walk in as well. Now we have a small museum which we are setting up just to display NPL activities. So that will also be open as part of these open day events.
Right. So wish you all the best and thank you. So we won't keep you holding now. We'll move to the venue, sir.
Right.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
I'll just switch it off.